taking a photograph of several people at once can be quite difficult, especially when you're trying to get all of them looking in a particular way. Take for instance this set of band images. Each image has its own merits, with some members of the band looking good in one photo and others looking better in another photo. Wouldn't it be great if we could actually combine the best bits of all these photos together into a single image? Well, I'm Philip Andrews from the Photoshop Elements team, and in this quick overview of Photomerge Group Shot, we're going to be able to show you how to do that very quickly and very easily. So to start off with, I'm going to select all three images. I'm sitting inside the organizer space. I'm going to go down to File and then down to New and across to Photomerge Group Shot. If you haven't used it before, it's well worth having a play with. All of the images are then brought into the main editor workspace. You can see them sitting here in the project bin, and then the special Photomerge Group Shot workspace is opened up, and you'll be able to see on the left hand side the source image and on the right hand side the final image. So the first thing we need to do is grab a picture that we want to use as the base of the final image and just drag it across and drop it on the right hand side. So this is the image that has the key content that we wish to keep. We can then go and select one of the other photos and have a look at which parts of this photo we wish to place on top of the final image over on the right hand side. And we can do that by going and selecting the pencil tool from the column on the right and then going across and just painting over the section that we wish to include on the right hand side. In this case, it's the guy on the left of the photo. By scribbling over his head, it's automatically been placed seamlessly on top of the final photo on the right. We'll also do that with the gentleman on the right hand side, and that has automatically been transferred across as well. But we've still got a couple of problems here. So we need to go and select the second image along and then brush over the two characters in the center, and they've been transferred across as well. So now we have a compilation of all three images put together in this final photo. But there's one extra thing I'm going to do before clicking the Done button. Just going to click on the advanced options that you see here and go down and click on Pixel Blending. And this helps Photoshop Elements just blend the pixels that we've transferred across into a more seamless arrangement. When I'm happy with that, I can then just go and click Done, and Photoshop Elements will combine all of the images together into a single new document. Here it is inside the main editor workspace. We'll just close down the project bin by double clicking on it and get it up to full size within the screen by just holding down Control and clicking 0 or Command and clicking 0. The last thing we need to do is then go to the crop tool and simply crop out the parts of the image that we no longer want. So because there's some slight misalignment with the three photos because they weren't taken with a tripod, we can just crop out the edges of the photo in order for us to clean up just the parts around the outside of the picture. And there we have it. It's a combination of all three photos, taking the best bits and putting them together into a single image.